Hey everyone, it's Anna, and I'm ready to do the final step to set up my course page for the new school year. This will be the last step I need to do before I actually start building the instructional content. So the last thing is we're going to go into the content tool in our course page, and we're going to add the syllabus for this course in a specific place. So I'm going to click on the book icon at the top to go to content. And the content tool is where we are going to be building and adding all of the instructional materials for this course. So anything I need to add, whether it's documents for students, directions, a link to somewhere, we're going to always start in content and organize that information into modules. And modules are sort of like a folder or a unit of information. When you click into content for the first time after having copied the template, you'll see that you already have a couple of modules called web tiles, or you may have one, that's fine too. I can reorder any of these modules by clicking the 8 dots on the left-hand side and dragging them to a different location. And when I do that, this little bar will pop up to show me where it's going to go in between other modules. When I go over top of a different module, it'll light up, highlight the name of it blue. That shows that I would be putting this web tiles module inside the Start Here module, or putting a folder inside of a folder. What I want to do is move these web tiles down to the bottom. And the reason I'm doing that is that web tiles are needed in order to make a tool on the front page work, but students don't actually have to interact with them. So I want to keep them down at the bottom of my list so that they're not cluttering up the view for students. You'll notice that you have a module called Start Here that already has 10 items in it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Start Here on the left. And I've added here a number of documents that should help your students get started with the new school year, including a calendar, the bell schedule for Parkview, how to get help if something's not working, passwords, etc. It's got all kinds of helpful information there. One thing that's missing from the Start Here module is your syllabus, which is something you're required to have. So I'm going to show you how to add that here. Make sure it says Start Here up at the top so that you're adding it in the correct place. And then you're going to click this dark blue button that says Upload/Create and choose Upload Files. Choose My Computer. And then click the Upload button. From there, you'll navigate to wherever it is that you have that syllabus saved and select that document and click Open. Once you see the document name has popped in, you can click Add, and it says content updated successfully. Where did it add that content? It is down at the bottom of this module. Just like I was able to reorder these modules by clicking on the 8 dots and dragging them around, I can do the same with the documents inside of my module. I'm going to move the syllabus up to the very top because I feel like that's an important thing for students to see first to get the expectations for my class. So again, you'll click on those dots and drag in order to move something around. Remember, the line shows you where it's going to go as far as in between 2 items. So make sure you see that dark blue line before you let go of your mouse. So I'm going to put syllabus up at the top. And that's it. I've now got my class completely ready. It's a blank slate and ready to add instructional material for the year. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. Thanks.